The Solo-Step Freestanding System is simple to set up and requires no installation into your ceiling's upper structure. To begin your system setup, unbox the freestanding system materials, including the aluminum track, leg support brackets, and more. Line up all of the pieces of the system. A freestanding system assembly guide and mallet will be provided. To place the Solo-Step trolley into the aluminum track, place the aluminum track in an upright position and place the trolley inside the track. To apply the leg support brackets to the aluminum track, you will need the included rubber end stop, 2 bolts, and 2 nuts for each side. Unscrew the nut and bolts and place the rubber end stop to the side. Align the leg support bracket to the aluminum track. Ensure the leg support brackets face away from each end of the track. Place the rubber end stop on the inside of the leg bracket and secure it with a nut and bolt. Again, secure the bracket on the end of the track with the other nut and bolt. Use the included rubber mallet if necessary. Repeat the same process on the other end of the aluminum track. Use a wrench or similar tool to ensure each bolt is tightened and secure. To attach the system's feet to the adjustable legs, simply screw the feet into each leg. If necessary, use a wrench or similar tool to tighten each leg. The system's legs attach to the support brackets using a wire locking pin. Simply detach the pin from the leg and slide the leg into the support bracket. Secure the leg by reapplying the wire locking pin. Repeat this process for each of the system's legs. Once each leg is secure, you can connect the lanyard to the Solo-Step trolley. You are now ready to flip the system onto its legs. Slowly lower the legs onto the floor and use 2 to 3 people to help flip the system safely. Once the system is in its standing position, you can adjust the height of the legs. Simply remove the lower leg's locking pins and slide the leg to your desired height. To ensure your safety, use 2 to 3 people to help you lift the system to adjust each leg. To place your patient into the freestanding system, place the harness around the patient's shoulders. Buckle the harness around the patient's legs and chest, and adjust the harness as needed. Attach the harness to the lanyard. The lanyard can be easily adjusted up or down depending on the patient's height. If you have any questions about the Solo-Step Freestanding System or our other products, please contact us at one of the following links.